Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I have made a channel for a purpose. There is a purpose in my mind when I decided to make a channel, and the purpose is very clear because I just want to target those students who belongs to who belong to villages and who are not able to even read English properly. Okay, I deal with that kind of students daily in my life because, as you know all, I am a government high secondary English lecturer, and the video I put on YouTube are only targeted to those students who are not able to read English, who are not able to write English, and who are not able to understand the English language. I don't want to be very fluent in English because there are so many students who are struggling hard to deal with this language. They do not even able to attain passing marks in the language, so they are far behind the target. So I am not making you fluent in English. I just want that you all will learn English, you all will understand the language, you all will able to translate the language from your native language, whatever your native language is, whether it is Hindi or Malvi or whatever. So I just want to make you able to translate from your native language to English, or from English to your native language, so you can understand both types of mediums. Okay, so this is my first and foremost target to make the channel, and just I want to connect these students mainly because they do not have proper facilities, the transportations or any other coaching classes or extra study content or material, or even they are not able to go to school regularly because there are so many financial problems in their lives. They are not you can say they are not financially sound, and they are struggling in their lives. They are just struggling in their lives, and they are struggling with hardships in their lives, in so many ways. So there is no one perfect criteria, I can say, but their social background, their financial condition of their family is not that sound, so that they can go to coaching classes and they can invest or make expenses to learn a language or even any other subject. So they always deal with the difficulties and problems in their lives. So those students are my main target. So if you are among them, please tuned with me, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel. First visit my channel and see the content I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, and then subscribe me, because I don't want you to be blind subscriber. I don't want my subscribers in millions. I just want to target the village students who are struggling to deal with the English language. I won't say English language, it's an English subject, because you have 5 or 6 subjects in your syllabus, and many are afraid of the language. So my first target is to make those students learn the language in very simple way, or in your native language, or in a very easy medium, whatever it is. I will just speak you, I will just explain you everything in English, and you will step by step be able to learn the language. So this is my first motive to start a channel on YouTube. So if you are interested, please go there, please visit my channel and then subscribe me and then follow me. Okay, follow me is not just like you follow on Instagram. Follow means whatever I put on YouTube, you will get the notification when you subscribe my channel. Okay, so whenever I put something or upload something on my channel, just see the content, just watch the content carefully and make notes. This is the most important thing, that don't just doom scroll. Okay, I don't want to doom scroll my all the videos, because I am not entertaining here, I am not doing dance, or I am not just entertaining or doing comedy or all, but I am just here to make you educate, make you confident in your English subject. So just I want, like, don't pass time. Okay, on my channel, just have a notebook, make a proper notebook and then make proper notes day by day. You will just remember, revise and then add next, just remember, then revise, then add some next content. So if you are continue, if you will be continue with me for 3 months, 6 months and then 1 year and 2 year, you will find yourself that you are improving day by day in your English language. So um, I can say, please help me to complete my motive, to achieve my target. Okay, thank you so much.